Hi, welcome to Chakra News. This is me, Sandeep Unitan. I am at the BSF Institute at Tekanpur. I'm at the newly inaugurated Weapon Design Lab, the BSF. Just been inaugurated, July 2025. Let's see what they have in here. Good old Glock 19, 9x19, one of the best semi-automatic pistols in the world. Good old Browning high power, 9x19 again. It's been in service for several decades now, produced by the Ordnance Factory. The Beretta Storm, 9x19 submachine gun. The BSF is the only user of this, imported some years back. We hear there's a surprise for us, and this is, of course, the Joint Venture Protective Carbine. It fires, as you all know, a 5.56 by 30 round, made by the DRDO and the Ordnance Factory Board. This is the Israeli X95 5.56 by 45 bullpup assault rifle, compact assault rifle, primarily used by India's paramilitary forces. This is the good old INSAS 1B assault rifle. It's been in production from the late 90s. And this is a INSAS 1B with a UBGL, a 40mm UBGL indigenously manufactured by the Ordnance Factory Trichy, still in widespread use. And this is the INSAS light machine gun, the LMG, with its bipod folded with a scope, widespread use again, primarily used by the paramilitary forces. The Indian Army has stopped using these. They have replaced the weapon with a, as you know, the 7.62 by 51 belt-fed LMG. This is, of course, the Trichy assault rifle that's made by the Ordnance Factory Trichy. It's the indigenous version of the Bulgarian AK-47 variant. It's in full production here. This is a Steyr 7.62 into 51 sniper rifle. This is the Ordnance Factory Trichy's 6-shot 40mm multiple grenade launcher. It's got 6 grenades that can fire these. 12-gauge shotgun, again indigenous, produced by one of the Ordnance factories. This is again a single-shot launcher. It's a riot gun. This is, of course, the 40mm under-barrel grenade launcher that's made by the Ordnance Factory Trichy. So there you have it. One of the most comprehensive gathering of indigenous weapons at this newly inaugurated BSF small arms unit. We're hearing that some good things are going to come out of it, but that's a story for another day. Stay tuned.